Thanks for visiting us on our website. I want to talk to you about our incredible, fascinating, exciting Coastal Percussion Workshop that we're holding in Montreal this year, exceptionally, to launch our new venue, 300-seat theater complex. The dates are July 30 to August 2nd, and we'll have everybody from Dugu Chancellor to Alfredo Reyes. We're bringing up Piloto from Cuba, Giraldo Piloto, the great Cuban drummer. He'll be here the whole time with us. Contact us 514-482-5554 or on our website again. Visit us at any time. We'll have updates on this. Also, Repercussion is going to be celebrating the 35th anniversary. It's going to be a launch party. It's also going to be a workshop and the festival open to the public, of course. Okay, we'll see you soon.